Hello, and thanks for joining us for another bite-sized PD. I'm Katie.
Hi, I'm Adele.
Today, we're going to talk about Google Chats. Google Chats is part of our Google Suite and can be found in the Waffle. Chats are available to all staff and students from grades 4 to 12.
There are so many great features about chats. It's a good tool for instant communication. Not only can it be used to have private one-on-one conversations, let's say between an educator and a student, but it's also a really effective collaboration tool for both educators and students.
With great power comes great responsibility. Chats is a tool that can often be misused. Sometimes we just need to give our students a little reminder about how to use this tool safely, or what we like to call chat etiquette. We've broken down chat etiquette into 4 simple can-do statements. Think before you type, set personal boundaries, keep personal information private, and consider your audience. Since Google requires a sign-in, everything that happens in chats is connected to your OCDSB account. We like to remind students that their OCDSB account doesn't actually belong to them. It belongs to the school board. So everything that they do on their account can be tracked. Everything you do online leaves a digital footprint. Think of it kind of like a professional account, where you need to make sure you're acting like a professional student.
Chat etiquette is not a one-and-done type of conversation. We all have the power to be digital leaders. Feel free to print out the chat etiquette poster, linked below, or post it on your LMS for an everyday reminder. It's a great resource for starting that discussion with your class. Thank you and take care.